I just bypassed Google's entire SEO system and got my affiliate link on page 1 in 27 seconds without writing a single piece of content. No keyword research, no backlink building, no months of waiting. While everyone else is grinding out blog posts and praying for rankings, I'm using Burst to slip my links directly into Google's front page. Here's the crazy part. It's not even SEO. Burst finds pages already ranking on Google, generates the perfect reply, and lets me paste my link right into live traffic. Affiliate links, e-com products, lead magnets, doesn't matter. If it has a URL, Burst gets it seen. I'm pulling 1,000+ clicks daily without spending a dime on ads. No hosting costs, no content creation, no technical skills required. Just log in, enter your keyword, let Burst work its magic, and paste your reply. 27 seconds later, you're sitting pretty on page 1. Google has no idea this is happening because we're not trying to rank. We're just appearing where people are already looking. Click below to get Burst free and start bypassing Google's rules in the next 30 seconds.